students, so today's point is interest on drawing, right? So we are having three methods to calculate interest on drawing. First is product method, simple method, and average method. According to product method, to formula to calculate interest on drawing is total drawing into rate by 100 into month, total product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12. And according to simple method, interest on drawing formula is total drawing into rate by 100 into months by 12. So these two formulas I'll explain with the help of illustration number 25. Right, here in the question it is given Charu is a partner in a firm. She withdrew the following amount during the year ended 31st March 2018. So May 1, 20,000, July 31st, 10,000, September 30th, 30,000, November 30th, 40,000, January 1, 20,000, March 31st, 25,000, and rate of interest on drawing is 9%. So according to simple method, the formula is total drawing, that is 20,000, into rate 9 by 100 into month by 12. Month from 1st May, it is 11 month, 11 by 12, right? Then 10,000 into 9 by 100 into months by 12. Now the month is 8 by 12. How 8? From 31st July to 31st March, right? So in September, the months are 30,000 into 9 by 100 into 6 by 12. Then 40,000 into 9 by 100 into 4 by 12. Yes, 4 by 12. And November to 31st March, it is 4 by 12. Then from 1st January, 20,000 into 9 by 100 into 3 by 12. Then 25,000 into 9 by 100 into 0 by 12, because 0 month is there. So we will get the answer of this, and that answer is total interest on drawing according to the simple method. Now according to total product method, right, we will calculate months. Here from 1st May to 31st March, 11 months, here 8 months, here 6 months, here 7 months, 3 months and 0 months, right? Then the drawings multiplied by month is equal to total product. Drawings multiplied by month. 20 into 11, 2,20,000. 10 into 8, 80,000. 30 into 6, 1,80,000. 40 into 4, 1,60,000. 20 into 3, 60,000, and 25 into 0, 0. So here the total product is 7 lakh. And according to total product method, interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12. So we will get the answer 5,250, which is equal to this answer. So we will follow any method, the answer will be same. Okay, so now the third method is average method. The formula in average method is total drawing into rate by 100 into average month divided by 12. Here the main point is average month. How to calculate average month? Average month is equal to month left after first drawing plus month left after last drawing divided by 2. Then we will get average month, otherwise formula is same. So this will be clear too with the help of this illustration number 26. In this question, it is given A draw 10,000 every month and on the first day of month, right? So interest on drawing is equal to total drawing, right? Total drawing is 10,000 multiplied by 12 because he is doing monthly. That's why multiplied by 12 into rate by 100. It is given in the question, that is 8 by 100 plus multiply average month divided by 12. Then average month on the first day of every month. Suppose we are taking year 1st April to 31st March. Then first drawing will be done on 1st April. Then after 1st April there are 2 months and last drawing is 1st March. Then after last drawing is 1 month, right? So total is 13. 13 by 2. This is formula of average method, right? So we will calculate total drawing into rate by 100 into average month into 1 by 12. Then you will get the answer. In case this is your first part, second part, B is drawing 10,000 every month at the rate of 8% on the last day of every month. Last day means first drawing वो कर रहा है 30th April को and last drawing कर रहा है वो 31st March को. Then after 30th April there are 11 months and after 31st March there is 0 month, right? So the average month is 11 by 2, right? The formula is 11 by 2 into 1 by 12, okay? And in third case, interest on drawing, when C is drawing 10,000 rupees at the rate of 8% middle of the every month. Middle of the every month means first 15th April or 15th March. 15th April से आपकी डेट ईयर मंथ्स बनेंगे. टाइम लेफ्ट आफ्टर फर्स्ट ड्राइंग इट इज 11.5 and time left after last drawing 15 March to 30th March 0.5, that will be 12 by 2. Answer will be 6, right? So it is 6 by 12. So that's why this is the average formula. When the date of drawing is not mentioned in the question, we are taking 6 क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता वो मंथ में फर्स्ट को लिया या लास्ट को लिया, हम मिडल में ले लेते हैं. इसलिए हम एक रूल हम करते आ रहे थे स्टार्टिंग से. When the date of drawing is not mentioned in the question, then we are taking 6 months on the average basis. So this is your third method. You are calculating interest on drawing on the basis of any method. The answer will be same. It is not mentioned in the question, then which method we will use? We have to check. If there is a bifurcation in months, means एक ड्राइंग कर रहा है फर्स्ट को, एक ड्राइंग कर रहा है 30th को, एक ड्राइंग कर रहा है लास्ट में, तो हम प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हैं. When nothing is mentioned, only month are given, then we use simple method. If it is given first, last, middle, then we will use average method. Thank you so much.